Yeah.
And not only does it fuck up the bumper, but it obviously damages pretty much everything underneath the clutch.
Right. Did that or the other two, yeah. How close can you get? Like, how much can you see?
That's what I'm figuring out right now. Right here, your eyes are so sharp.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it fish bowling at all, or?
No.
No?
There's no distortion.
That's sick.
Yeah. Oh shit. Wow.
What do you think so far?
The video is quite impressive.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah, it's a video. Say hi to the YouTubers.
Hello, YouTube.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Let's go. Right. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video with the first look of the 18mm F1.4. I bought the lens as soon as it was available. I remember it was like 6 o'clock in the evening, and then the store was downtown and it was closing at 7, so I had to race down to get it. And then Jake lives around the area, so I just called him out so we can just go out and test this lens. I wanted to show you guys what this lens can do when it comes to image quality, and using that f1.4 in low light was really cool. But man, this lens, it's so fun to shoot with. I am loving it so far. That this is my first time using it, so this is not a full review, more just a first impression. And what I like about it so far is that this lens reminds me a lot like the 16mm f1.4. The focal length are very similar and the image quality is also similar, but because of that linear focus motor, it doesn't make that clunky grinding sound anymore when it tries to focus. Focusing is smooth and it is quite fast on my X-T4 and my XS-10. What I'm going to say is if you're a photographer who owns the 16mm f1.4, you can probably pass on this lens unless you want to have the latest and greatest. By all means, I think the linear focusing motor makes this a lot better for run and gun video shooters. The autofocusing is quiet and it doesn't make like big ass noises like the 16mm f1.4. So that is it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Tongue, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Okay, bye.